Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to pin a group chat or conversation on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap and hold the chat you wish to pin. Tap the pin icon that appears at the top of the screen. As you can see, your favorite chat has been pinned at the top of the chat screen. This is how you can pin a group chat or conversation on WhatsApp on an Android device.